every time. You're only gonna need 4 biscuits for this recipe. And don't worry, these aren't going to waste. We're gonna throw them in the oven. Guys, we're making some awesome biscuits and gravy egg bites. Guys, I'm on an egg bite kick. I just love them. I spend so much money on Starbucks that sometimes I try to find new and adventurous ways for egg bites that aren't Starbucks egg bites. 4 eggs going in. Gonna add a little lucky shake. Guys, I say it all the time, if you're not using barbecue rubs in your normal cooking, you're missing out. There's so many good flavors in there. About a half a tablespoon will do you right. We got some packet gravy right here, some McCormick peppered country gravy. I'm gonna use about half the deal right here. Guys, I'm using a little 6 compartment muffin tin. Whoa. All right. Double this recipe up if you have a larger muffin tin. We got a little cooked bacon getting chopped up. Now, guys, I could use a knife and cutting board, but then all the trolls wouldn't have something to bitch about me using scissors to cut up bacon. Could use a good trolling in my videos, right? People hate this. It's amazing how much they hate this. It's almost as bad as wearing gloves in the videos. People hate gloves too. Next up, we got a little heavy whipping cream going in there, heavy cream. Then we're just gonna throw in about a half a cup of shredded cheddar in there. And guys, I'll make sure to put the ingredients and prep in the video description. Just want to get this all mixed up real nice. Make sure the seasoning and that packet gravy get absorbed and broken down. You don't want it all powdery in there. Get it nice and mixy. All right, nice and well incorporated. Normally I try to pour this mix in there, but that would make a huge mess. So grab a spoonful. Put it in a greased muffin tin. Looking good. These are going to expand a little bit, so you're good. All right, nice and full, big egg bites. We're going to get these bad boys in the oven, 375. 25 to 30 minutes, give or take. Make sure the eggs are obviously cooked all the way through. All right. But these are going to be amazing. I'll see you in a second. Guys, we got all your favorites from a savory breakfast right here in one little muffin, little grab and go. Give this a try. Baby, you know it's good.